My last video was very depressing, so I thought I'd make one to make you laugh. But as I was coming up with jokes, I realized I'm not funny at all. My jokes are very dark and very bleak. So I thought maybe I'll just talk about lies that we've been sold as millennials. 9/11 was not an inside job. Women's rights. The government always has your best interest in mind. Israel is the victim in all of this. Trickle-down economics works. That there was ever a war on drugs. The medical system. That the justice system gives us justice. Oh, here's a good one. The food pyramid. If you apply yourself in college and you get a degree, you'll have a great successful career ahead of you when you get out.